February 2026, Harrisburg, Illinois. A woman walked out of Walmart with $198 worth of merchandise. She paid $31.
Tags are on it. Okay.
366 Swiss cheese.
How much?
There should be 2 of them.
366.
366, yep, there's one.
Have you been arrested for any kind of retail theft or anything in the past?
No,
Okay.
I have not.
Alright.
I thought there's a mess. Everything's like
Well,
a mess back
River
there.
Limit on Honda grade
I was
2019
trying
Dodge
to clear
Utility.
the shop and was going with what was on it. I had a girl at the register of health. Yeah,
Monroe County, Florida, theft and forgery.
that was 10 years ago.
Okay, these are for life though. So once you
Over 10 years ago.
yeah, but once you have one for the rest of your life, if you get one, that makes it automatically a felony. If you take a stick of gum, it becomes a felony. Oh yeah.
And see, the thing is that
There's only
I
one.
purchased what I thought the tax were.
Yeah.
So do I get reimbursed for whatever
Oh,
the
Swiss
tax
cheese.
was?
I don't know how they do that. I'm sure they'll figure out what's actually yours and what's not.
Well,
Yeah,
I mean,
366.
as far
That's
as what was
that's actually
purchased,
probably the
it's
least
not
of your
the right
problems
price.
right now.
Yeah, I mean, I'm okay with it.
Oh, I thought you put the Swiss cheese.
I'm just going with what was on
Yeah, just double check, make sure
the merchandise.
Yeah.
That should,
Is she in you guys' system at all?
I didn't see it.
Okay.
Nope.
Yeah, she's in ours.
scan
She's right, she's not in ours.
I'm scared.
438.
And you got the French slice bread there?
Did you, do you have it on there?
I don't.
the French bread is, it's on there. I zapped it.
French
162.
slice, 162, yep,
Yeah,
got it.
it's on there.
I zapped everything in my bag.
Alright, everything else
You need a
was...
So I
total,
can
right?
keep what I purchased, but I don't get anything back from what I
I'm
didn't
gonna go get a
purchase.
training receipt.
That would be amazing if you bring me a training receipt. That
I
way
would
there's no
love to
guesswork
bring
to this. Okay, here, I'll hold that. Do you have a local address or are you still in Florida?
I go back and forth.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just retired. So I've been going back and forth.
Gotcha.
The jacket, the boy's jacket, I think.
Yeah, these right here. She's got everything that wasn't. Will that fit in a bag? I don't think it will.
I didn't put it in a bag because they were so bulky.
We
I
can try
don't
one.
want a bag, but yeah, it's fine. Well, I don't,
We're waiting for her to come back with the training receipt so that he knows how much the amount was that wasn't paid for.
okay, so do I get a difference for what was scanned?
I mean, we'll tell you whenever, yeah, we'll tell you.
What y'all
What do you-
owe me for what was scanned? Because everything was scanned, so there was a price paid.
So how many items had these tickets, these stickers on them?
There's quite a few of them.
Like, I don't know what the prices were for each one.
Right,
But so-
normally we wouldn't differentiate the difference
That's- and
there
that's
like
okay?
that. We would just, I mean, cause you,
I'm just going with what was on the items, so I don't know
right,
how
and
much.
usually whenever tags are
Well,
wrapped
this is
around
your
things like
two
that, we don't
receipts.
think that the
One
checkout
what
was
she
honest.
scanned and
Like it
what
was
was
supposed to
she-
be. We get a lot of people
Right.
taking tags and sticking them to things.
Right,
That they
I
know
understand
aren't
that.
there.
So,
Complex, a little bit more complex.
I mean, if I get the difference, I don't know what the difference adds up to, but if not, it's okay
I'll have
too.
to see what he wants to do. The guy that just like he's the boss.
It doesn't-
so,
I'm okay with it, either way.
normally we don't make up the difference.
Normally not,
No.
okay, and that's okay. I know I don't know what it adds up to, but, okay.
You got a ballpark figure?
No, sir. I'm sorry, but no.
I mean, yeah. I ring everything up. I don't, like as far as the tags, the store's crazy with clearance.
It's like I said, usually when the tags, like
Crazy.
I said, are wrapped around like that or like not supposed to be there, We usually think
Right.
it's foul
Okay.
play. However you
Yeah.
call it.
I mean, I can
You
see
know.
where you would assume that.
We get a lot of it. We get a lot of it.
Do you really?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh,
A
yes.
lot.
Yes.
It's ticket switching at its finest. So.
Tag swap, ticket switching, under ringing. There's just all
Under-ringing.
different kinds of little things that
Well,
we.
I'll be going through a regular live person,
It's the best thing to do.
even though I had a little help with the liquor and, putting everything down there. But yeah, I go back and forth from the keys up here.
Alright, so $198 is what the total up to being off of it. That's what the theft and also the stuff that wasn't. And then this is what she actually scanned and paid for. Was
31, so the
yeah,
difference would be like
$31.
$160.
Yeah,
Yeah.
at least still $160.
Okay. All right.
Do I get a difference for it, or
It's
just
31. No, it's actually $31.
Sorry, then.
Is all that you paid for, but it was 200 after taxes. Is 215, but we don't do taxes usually on that, so it was $198 of merchandise that was either stolen or ticket switched. So it was a different price tag.
wow?
Tag switching, moving cheaper price stickers onto more expensive items before checkout. 12 items had switched tags. 4 or 5 were not scanned at all. Loss prevention flagged it. Officers were called, and then she asked for a refund on the difference. That question is the tell. You do not ask about the price difference if you believed you paid correctly. She offered to pay the full amount back. The officer's answer was precise. Buying insurance after a wreck, it does not count. She asked to be trespassed from the store. That was her alternative to arrest. The officer declined.
Wow.
Trespass me,
What-
please.
what's-
Just trespass me.
Well, we're
So I
actually not
can't-
trespassing you because this is the only time that we've got you in our system.
I know I haven't done anything.
But
oh my
as
God,
far
could
as
you
which,
please?
it's too late for that. It's already too late. You've already walked out the door. You've already committed the crime.
God. There's no way you can.
No.
Oh God, really? What is gonna happen? I mean,
I'm sorry, what
I
was?
don't know what's gonna happen.
Okay, so we will take you up to the sheriff's department. They will process you in. You will have a detention hearing on Monday, at which time they'll probably release you on your own recognizance.
On Monday?
Uh-huh.
I'm
Yes.
spending the weekend in jail?
Yes. Yeah, there's the court was today at 1 o'clock, so we've already missed court for
They
the day.
won't let me out on my own?
They will Monday. I'm almost sure of it because you only have one prior conviction.
What? Oh my God. You don't think they're gonna let me out? I can't.
They will
I
Monday.
can't
They'll let you out
post a
Monday.
bond
No,
today.
there is. Illinois doesn't have any bond anymore. It's a it's a
So they
bail-free
won't let
state.
me out on my own?
No, they
Oh,
will.
God,
Monday
please.
they will, generally speaking.
I will pay for anything that needs to be.
Here is the critical legal layer. She had a prior theft conviction, Monroe County, Florida, theft and forgery. Under Illinois 720 ILCS 5/16-25 retail theft with a prior conviction is automatically elevated to a Class 3 felony regardless of dollar amount. Dollar amount becomes irrelevant. Walking out with a stick of gum would carry the same charge. The officer said exactly that on camera. She did not stop talking. Illinois passed the Pretrial Fairness Act in 2023, no cash bail in the state. She would remain in custody until Monday's detention hearing, 2 days. 1 count, retail theft with enhanced sentence. Class 3 felony. Officers grade A. They let her talk, documented 12 items, retrieved the training receipt. Every decision holds. Loss prevention, grade B+. Caught the scheme, tallied the merchandise, provided the complete paper trail. Subject grade D. 12 switched tags, a prior on record, and she kept negotiating. Under 720 ILCS 5/16-25, that prior converts every subsequent retail theft into a felony. Any amount, any item. She handed them this case. Less than a prior conviction does not stay in one state. Illinois pulled Florida's record. The enhancement applied automatically. Offering to pay after the fact is not a legal defense. Under Illinois law, the offense is complete the moment you exit the store. Subscribe for more Bodycam analysis. Drop a comment what sentence is appropriate here. We will see you in the next one.